Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And guess what? The time has finally arrived. Right here behind me, I'm gonna have the 2022 Honda Civic Si. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions to save you guys some time. So when you arrive at your local Honda dealership, you know exactly what this vehicle has, all right? Now, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. Now let's go get you all the information right now to make that well-formed decision today now. Alright guys, so here we are right outside the 2022 Honda Civic Si. As usual, let's walk right up here to the Rona sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video right about there if you're exploring your own. Now up on the top right hand corner talks about your fuel economy is 27 for the city, 37 for the highway with a combined of 31. Down on the right hand corner usually has safety ratings right there, but not rated yet. So new of a vehicle. This particular one came from Canada. The price point, and then the list of standard features, alright? I will also put down some additional color options down in the left-hand corner. Then if there's going to be additional charge for that particular color, with that respectable color for you guys, all right? Comes standard with two key fobs. We'll sneak here towards the front of the vehicle. You have a 1.5 turbo. It's going to be right here. I'm going to throw horsepower, torque, so you guys be in the know what kind of playing around with. Then with some additional stats, perks for an SI that you're kind of looking at for those kind of a little more enthusiastic about it. Now, we're also going to have your Honda sensing features standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, forward collision, road departure, traffic sign. You got a lot of cool, good stuff right in there. All right. Now, we're also going to see, we're going to have LED lights all the way around, so that's going to be pretty nice. From right there, you got a little SI badging going on within that front. Nice little red within Honda emblem. Now, as we hit the lock button, you can see a turning indicator. It's going to be right there. Pretty nice, aggressive kind of look. And we'll back up a little bit more. Step her off to the sides. You have those 18-inch alloyed rims. Step here towards the side profile. I'm going to throw some exterior measurements up there so you guys be in the know. Would it fit in the garage? How does it compare to your guys' current size of the vehicle? That kind of stuff. All right, so it's gonna be a black finish, no chrome action. Got a little black finish around the windows from right there. Black side mirrors. We have body colored handles. So pretty nice and easy. We also have the smart entry with the vehicle. So let's say the key fob's in your purse, your jacket, whatever, you walk up, put your hand in the handle. There we go, you set from that point. You can also walk out with the key fob, put your thumb down on the ridges right here, and it locks it as you walk away from there. So that's pretty nice as well. Those days of accidentally locking your keys in the car or over, you can't be like, la la la, whoops, hit the lock button. Shut that right there, it automatically unlocks it from that point for you, okay? Check out the top here. We have a one-touch power moonroof, comes standard. We're gonna have a capless gas tank, so when the car's unlocked, you simply push this right in. No longer $2 cap to argue, debate with. It's a simple slide and go, saving you some time. Step here towards the back. You got this rear deck spoiler kind of going on, nice black finish. Get here towards the back end. We have a multi-angle rear camera. Dual chrome tipped exhaust, excuse me, it's really cold out here. We have an SI badging going on, a little bit of Civic going on from right at that point. Trunk release is gonna be on the key fob. You're also gonna have a button right here on the trunk. Plenty of space right here, so life happens, challenge accepted, you're living the dream. It's gonna be a 60-40 split seat, as you guys can clearly see. I got the carpet mats right down here. And then you're gonna have a tire patch kit with the emergency funnel. Now, also on the side mirrors here, they're gonna be our breakaway side mirrors, all right? So if you want to fold these in, you can. It comes right down from that point. So pretty nice and easy. Then that right up here in the ace pillar, actually down below on the door. So that makes a huge difference as you're driving. You'd be actually surprised on how much more that opens up for your visibility, okay? So pretty cool. Now also on top of that, before I forget, we're gonna have the blind spot information system. All right, so let's say you're driving down the road, a car's over here in your blind spot, it's gonna light up and it's gonna beep at you when you have your turning indicator on while someone's in your blind spot. So pretty nice and easy. You can customize all of that stuff from that point. Now, let's check out the back seat here quick. You guys open this right up. Checking out the door. You got a little cloth interior. You got a nice little texture going on right here. You know about power windows. A little bit of cubby space down below. Red stitching within the back seats. So armrest, cup holders right over here. You have a courtesy pocket over on the passenger seat. So pretty nice. Then right up here, place for the car seats if you ever need to. from there. All right, I'm gonna take a break, go warm my hands up. They're bright red, as you can see, within this 5 minutes. I'll be right back to explore the front. All right, so here we are, right back to you as well. Before we dive right in here, guys, in the front driver's seat, I just want to share with you guys, we also have the walkaway auto lock feature too as well. So let's say you get out of the car, you shut the door, there's no key fob left in the car, right? You get 10 feet away from the car, boom, all the doors automatically lock from there. So that's gonna be pretty nice and easy, all right? So let's kind of get into the vehicle here quick. Let's open this right up. Let's check out the driver's side door. You got a nice red interior kind of going on. So that'd be kind of nice. A little bit of red going. You got a little bit of red stitching going from here. You guys know about power windows. You got your window lock button right here, just in case you know it's misbehaving in the back. The power locks. You got your mirror selectors left and right. The D-pad to adjust accordingly. Then you have your trunk release is going to be right over here. All right. So right down here, some additional cubby space. We'll focus right here on the driver's side seat here. It's gonna be a manual seat, so it's gonna be a pump action to raise. You got your lower, you got your recline from that point, then the squeeze bar underneath, slide forward and back from there, okay? So we also gonna have your hood release. It's gonna be right here off to the side. Let's pop that. Let's do the courtesy to show you what's underneath the hood. All right, so here we are right underneath the hood, guys. Give you guys a nice quick visual to see how much room is in there, and we'll point out some nice courtesy stuff. You have more of those advanced questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments. I'm sure the community will be glad to assist, or just contact your local Honda dealership. They'll be glad to answer those questions for you guys, all right? So you got your washer fluid. It's a nice blue cap right here. We'll come down to right over here. You got your coolant. You got your dipstick, oil cap. Batteries, nice exposed, just because you jump someone's car, get yours jumped, change out the battery, pretty nice and easy. Brake fluid, then the fuse box right here, okay? So plenty of space if you ever need to work on anything, right there. All right, let's jump right back up front. All right, so now before we jump right in, let's throw some interior measurements right up there so you guys be in the know. How much space do you have for your friends, family, whoever is brave enough to tag along with us, all right? Let's jump right in. It's going to be a push start, so make sure you have the key fob with you guys. All right, so just get the key with you. Let everything start right up. Now, right over here on the left-hand side, we got some additional buttons. This is going to be a vehicle stability assist. If you ever want to turn that off, you can. There's a click and hold. Then you're going to have this button here for your quick point if you want to change anything for any of your Honda sensing stuff. As you select that, there we go. So for example, like your road departure, you got your blind spot information, you got your forward collision. All I'm doing is using this little wheel right here on, and if I want to select it, I just push it right in. There you go, it's off now. Let's turn it right back on. There we go. You can adjust the brightness of your driver's interface right here. As you mess with that, gives you a nice little visual right up there. Nice little red lining around the vents. It clicks once it gets into the center. That's pretty nice. Nice little soft touch right here. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with red stitching. Now let's talk about what's over here on the steering wheel. On the right hand side, you got all of your Honda sensing features from here. So you got your lane keep assist right there. As you select that, that's going to be for your highway driving between 45 and 90 miles an hour. So you're down cruising, go out your lane a little bit, it'll bring you back, it beeps at you. So it's pretty nice. You can change the sensitivity on that, or if it's how it's gonna warn you from there. So pretty cool. Right over here, you got your cruise control button. So you can see it's enabled right there, cruise control. Now it's no longer available. Then you have your adaptive cruise control. It's gonna be this button right here. So let's say we're driving down the road, we select that, you see those lines up there changing, we're selecting the distance between you and the car in front of you. So let's say, for example, you're going, I don't know, 45 miles an hour, and then the car in front is going 35, it finds it, you know, it warns you, okay? So it keeps you at a certain distance, so they're pretty nice and easy. This you can set, you know, adjust the speed for your cruise, you hit cancel from there. You're gonna have your adjustable and wipers right there. LED lights all the way around. Auto, with auto high beam. You got your media controls and everything here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So as you kind of hit back, you actually see some things here on the driver's interface. We'll actually get to that in a second. You also have voice command from right there. And then your volume and different music, you know, media stuff from there. All right. Now, let's actually get right here on the driver's interface. I'm going to scroll around. You guys can take a look, sneak peek. You guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. I'm going to start from right here and scroll all the way down. All right, so there we go. Now let's talk about what's on the driver's interface here quick for you guys so you know the layout here. So you got your speedometer right here, you got a one there, then you have the digitalized right over here. You're gonna have your gas tank, it's gonna be down below. As you can see, almost at half tank of gas right now. Mileage, 49 miles on it. Outside temperature, man, that wind is blowing really cold, so it doesn't feel like it's 33 degrees out today. And then from here, you got your tachometer from that point. Nice little red lights off to the side. Now, for your engine temp gauge, stuff like that, is actually going to be a light that will come on or off from right here. So let's say it's really cold. It's actually going to be a blue light up there to let you know it's too low. If it's really overheating, it'd be a red little light that will come up on the driver's interface, all right? Now, let's see if we can get this to focus. All right, so now let's kind of go right over here in 1 second. All right, so we're back. Now let's kind of focus right over here on the dashboard here quick for you guys. As we're kind of looking at that, you see this nice red going on with the black finish right here on the dash. You got your honeycomb going on. You got the nice little adjustable vents. It clicks once it gets in the center again. Right here, your hazard lights, if you ever need those for any particular reason, now you know where it's at. It's right there. It's just kind of floating right there on the dashboard. It's begging to be hit. Now we'll come right up here. We have a nice 9-inch touchscreen right here for you folks. We're at the home menu, as you can clearly see now. You can pair up your phone. You got multiple phones you can pair up. You got your radio options. As you select that, you actually hit the audio source right up there. You got FM, AM radio, satellite radios. You'll be Sirius XM. You get 3 months of that for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that paid subscription if you choose to. USB. You got your Bluetooth, your smartphone connection. It's a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So it's pretty nice and easy from there. With the back button, you got smartphone connection, so if you are paired, you can hit that from there, or you just hit you connect from there. I don't have it paired right now. I kind of walk you through the steps. You just hit the button from there to pair up, so pretty nice. Come right over here, you got your general settings. You got your vehicle settings. You can customize your vehicle to everything the way you want it. You know, like when the doors lock, unlock, reset the tire pressure, stuff like that. So a lot of cool stuff. Gives you nice little photos. Individual settings too as well. For your individual mode when you put it in there. We'll get to that in 1 second here for you guys. You got your little clock right up there. All right. Volume knob. So nice little ledge right here. You can put your hand pretty much down on as you kind of hit buttons. For your phone. Smart. Yeah, smart shortcuts. Display. In this case is kind of, bugs you for your day or nighttime driving. Shut it off. So there we go. We'll get another video going right up here. It goes more in detail about that. Let's come right down over here. You got your climate controls. You got your fan speed, temperature, different modes, air circulation, front defroster, rear defroster with heated side mirrors. Then you got your air control right there. We'll come right down over here. You got a couple USBs, 12-volt plug-in, nice little tray area, Now we'll come right down here to the 6-speed. You got your electrical parking brake. You can see it's on because it's red right here. All right. And then also says brake right up there for you guys. That's as simple as a pull up, then it locks right in there. To turn that off, all you simply have to do is apply onto the brakes, get into whatever you want to do and push that right in. All right, then it automatically releases. You have a whole brake right here, and then you have and then you're gonna have your different modes right here. Excuse me, guys. So as you push that up, you'll see it right up there. It kind of goes on the touchscreen too as well. And then it displays it right over here on the driver's interface. All right, so you got your normal driving. You have a sport mode. It's going to change up the car, you know, a little more fun driving. And you get an individual mode too as well. So you can change how your car is going to perform for an individual mode to your particular likes, wants, and needs. So pretty nice. You have idle stop, comes standard. So any particular reason you don't like idle stop, you can shut that off. It's this button right here. As you shut it off, you'll see, hey, there it is. So with idle stop, you get to a complete stop at the drive-through, you know, whatever the case is, stop sign. It partially shuts off the engine. Then it kicks right back on as you apply onto the gas from right here. You have nice red stitching going on within this. That stitching will come on within the armrest. And then you have a couple cup holders. Let's open this bad boy right up. Some additional space down below. Nice pattern here on the seat. A lot of red. You got the SI. I got the SI right over here too as well. One-touch power moonroof, opens, closes, tilts, everything like a power moonroof should be doing. To get it tilt, you simply just push that right in. There we go. It's tilt. Now to close it, you simply just hit close. And there we go. So you got your map lights, dome lights, turn them on or off when the door is open. Now we're also going to have a Bose sound system that's going to be standard in this vehicle. Just want to share that with you guys. I'll throw some stats up there so you kind of know what we're playing around with. So that's a big deal here for Honda. First time for Honda to have a name brand system like that right in here. And then also, let's step right out. Give you guys a nice one little walk around one more time. Hey guys, it's me again, Crazy Honda Chris. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching the video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you guys have any lingering questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to assist you guys from that point. And I appreciate you guys' support. I'll keep these videos coming. I'll see you guys at the next video, all right? Bye-bye.